Hello! In this video, I'll quickly show you how to create an e-way bill in Zoho Books and what to do if you don't see the option in your account. First, enable GST by going to Settings and click Taxes and then GST settings and entering your GST details. If your account supports it, you'll find an e-way bill option here. And just enable it and add transporter info if needed. After that, you can generate an e-way bill directly from your sale invoices. However, if you don't see the option, it might not be included in your plan or in your region. In that case, generate e-way bills manually on the government portal, and you can also contact Zoho support or update your app to check for availability. And that's all for now. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and thank you so much.